Alright guys, we're gonna go e4 now. Let's play the King's Gambit, one of my all-time favorites. The Folkbeer counter Gambit, look by the looks of it, knight takes e. So let's see how he plays now. I aim to get bishop to c4 and then attack on f7. I don't want to move the piece because it might be seen as a pre-moved by the engine, so I try not to. So I took with f because I don't want to trade queens with the black, so I keep the queen in the game. So let's see how he plays. He challenges. Let's do a move with tempo. Bishop b5, that's a move with tempo. Takes and castle automatically. If he takes on d4, obviously I'm going to take. And now let's see. Let's make it messy, guys. Let's just make a mess. What's wrong with this? Nothing's wrong, because now the queen attacks on g7, actually. Now I can actually take here with check it, check again. He want to trade now? Oh, come on. I don't want to trade. I don't really want to trade. I don't want to trade. I swear I don't want to trade. I hate it, man. But I guess 3 to 5. I don't know. This guy is just so bloody persistent with the trades and all. I don't want to. If he checks me or something, I'm going to block with a bishop attacking his queen. If he plays something like queen c5 to check my king on g, let's get this guy in the game somewhere. And you know what I'm going to do next? I'm going to do some rook a to d1. I think that's kind of reasonable enough. What else? Should I play some knight to c4? But I cannot. Hey, this is an interesting idea he did here. So, wait a minute. Wait a minute, mister. You want to take on b2, right? You want to take on b2. Should I do something with my bishop? I'm defending b2. I feel I kind of like got that bishop to do a little bit more activity. And also I'm attacking on e4, which I think I could just take because the knight is pinned, mind you, my dear friends. And I can also take on h7. What the heck? I think I can go h7. I think I should be winning. I'll tell you a secret. The previous game I should have won it, but that guy just simply flagged me. Dirty guy. Just Okay, so h7 is hanging, right? Yeah, what the heck. And then we got queen to h5. I think he's going to get so frustrated he's going to resign now. Please tell me that's the case. I'm going to tell you something else. Let me think about bishop takes f6. Rook takes, king takes, rook checks f1. I think that's quite cool. Yeah, I think that's cool. That bishop on d4, that's a monster of a bishop. Hey, pal, what are you doing, man? I'm going to attack the queen by discovered attack, my friends. I am going to do dirty business. Boom. Queen is being hit, by the way, if you wonder. Black queen now being hit. And I think he's got a problem. I think he should resign. He don't resign? Oh, come on, man. That's a check. Well, now I'm taking his queen because I'm going to play bishop d4, blocking the check, and hitting the king with my rook on f1. His toast. Thank you, Vladdy. I think he's toast. He should resign. Queen is gone. And actually for free. Not just that it's gone. It's gone in a very bad way for them. I don't think it's Vlad Kramnik. Do you think it's Vlad Kramnik? I don't think so. First, he is like 1,000 points extra. That's for sure. Your opponent left the game. Claimed the victory? Well, of course. Yeah, absolutely. So, guys, tell me if that's cool for me to keep talking gibberish on the live chess blitzes I'm doing. Please do, guys, follow and subscribe, whatever the platform you've seen the video. Drop me your comments, your feedback, and, we're gonna see each other maybe on the live streams with some puzzles and stuff. Cheers, fellas. Be good and be wise.